Good morning, students. Today we are starting our 13th chapter. Why do we fall ill? This is very important and last chapter of biology in your science book. Now, what are the points and what are the topics for discussion? Number one, health. What about health? Health is a complete state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally, and socially. This is health. And the second one, healthy and disease free. Now, what are the conditions we can say healthy, and what are the conditions we can say disease free condition? So we should distinguish about these two states. The word disease literally means being uncomfortable due to a particular cause, and poor health does not always mean that we are suffering from a particular disease. Our health is affected by our physical, mental, and social condition, but every disease has a particular cause. You know, there are various organ systems in our body which is made of organs that carry out a specific function. In case of any disease, the functioning or appearance of one or more system of the body changes, which gives rise to symptoms of disease. Now you can understand what are the difference between the healthy and disease free condition. Now the third one is disease and its causes. Firstly, we should know about there are two types of diseases, acute and chronic. What are acute diseases? Disease that lasts for only very short period of time is called acute disease. For example, common cold, etc. And what are chronic disease? Chronic disease are the disease which lasts for a long time, as much as lifetime are chronic disease. Example, elephantiasis. Before the discussion of causes of disease, we should know more about the disease. Now, what are these? When there is a disease, either the functioning of one or more system of the body will change for the worse. These changes give rise to symptoms and signs of disease. And now symptoms of disease are change as we feel as being wrong. So we have a headache, we have cough, we have loose motion, we have a wound with pus, and these are all the symptoms of disease. And signs of symptoms are what physician will look for on the basis of the symptoms. क्या देखता है डॉक्टर आपके में? वो सारे सिम्टम्स, जैसे आपका सिर दर्द कर रहा है या आपका पेट दर्द कर रहा है, हेडेक हो रहा है, टूथएच हो रहा है, तो ये सिम्टम्स देखकर ही डॉक्टर डिसाइड करेगा कि आपको क्या डिसीज हुई है या किस प्रकार की बीमारी हुई है ना. Now, causes of disease. Then what are the causes of disease? What causes disease when we think about cause of disease, we must remember that there are many levels of such causes. Immediate cause of disease are of two types: infectious causes or non-infectious causes. There are two types of causes: infectious or non-infectious. What are infectious causes? These include microbes or microorganisms, diseases where microbes are immediate cause are called infectious disease. And non-infectious causes, the immediate cause of disease is not external or microbes. The cause are internal or non-infectious. Such disease are called non-infectious disease. You can say example, cancers is caused due to a genetic abnormality, and this is not an infectious disease.